The Canon RF S 150mm with aperture 3.5 to 6.3 is an incredibly versatile all-in-one zoom lens designed for the Canon APS-C mirrorless cameras, covering a wide focal range from 18mm wide-angle to 150mm telephoto. It allows you to capture landscapes, portraits, travel photos, and distant subjects without the need to switch lenses. Despite its impressive zoom range, the lens, I can tell you, it remains compact and lightweight, making it an excellent companion for the everyday photography and traveling. The built-in image stabilizer helps produce sharper images and smoother handheld video, even when shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The autofocus is quiet, fast, and very accurate, making it ideal for both photography and video recording. The lens delivers excellent image quality throughout the zoom range, with good sharpness, natural colors, and reliable performances for a wide variety of subjects. So whether you're exploring a new destination, creating content, or simply looking for a single lens that can handle almost any situation, I really recommend this one because, in my opinion, after testing it for a while, it offers outstanding flexibility in a compact and easy to carry design.